Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the maximum frame rate in Call of Duty Mobile. First, navigate to your in-game settings. Under the Audio and Graphics tab, set your graphics quality to low or very low. This is crucial for performance. Immediately after, select Max or Ultra for your frame rate option. Also, disable real-time shadows and ragdoll effects to further enhance your gameplay experience. Next, let's optimize your device itself. Before launching Call of Duty Mobile, make sure to close all other applications running in the background. These can consume valuable processing power and memory. Additionally, ensure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage space. Finally, always keep your device's operating system and the game application updated to their latest versions for the best compatibility and performance. Now, let's talk about network and power. A stable internet connection is vital. Always prefer a strong Wi-Fi network over mobile data to minimize lag. Also, ensure your device has at least 50% battery charge, or better yet, keep it plugged in. Low battery can trigger power-saving modes, which often throttle your device's CPU and GPU, directly impacting your frame rate. Turn off any power-saving features. For some advanced tweaks, regularly clear the game's cache from your device settings. This helps remove temporary files that can slow things down over time. If your device has a built-in game booster or a similar feature, utilize it to prioritize game performance. Lastly, a simple but effective tip is to restart your device every now and then. This clears up system memory and ensures a fresh start for your gaming session.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.